Recipe Jelly Custard. Take 1 packet jelly. Take top-up water. 1 water boiled, add packet jelly. Cook well. Pour in bowl. Remain cool. Make custard. 1 kg milk, add custard powder for spoons. Half cup water, add for custard powder melt. Milk boiled and suja as per choice add. Then add melt custard powder. Well, cook in low flame. Continuously cook with the help of spatula in low flame, even gradually will be thick. Custard flavor as per choice, like vanilla, strawberry, or banana. Cake, biscuit, nuts, or whatever your choice, take in bowl. Add ready custard batter over it. Now custard dish is ready. Remain cool and put it refrigerator. Jelly and custard both ready to serve. Delicious! Sprinkle dry fruit over for presentation. Jelly cut into pieces with the help of knife. Take ready custard in bowl. Chill and cool. Add cut jelly over custard. Very easy recipe. Good looking. Eat as a sweet dish. Everyone like it.